Companion planting is a gardening technique that involves strategically placing plants together to maximize their growth potential and improve overall garden health. When it comes to cucumbers, companion planting can play a significant role in enhancing their growth, repelling pests, and improving pollination. In this video, we will explore a comprehensive companion planting chart for cucumbers, offering valuable insights into suitable companion plants to consider in your cucumber garden. Cucumber companion plants. Sunflowers. Tall sunflowers provide shade and wind protection for cucumber plants while attracting pollinators. Radishes. Planting radishes nearby helps deter cucumber beetles and can act as a trap crop. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums repel aphids and cucumber beetles and attract beneficial insects like ladybugs. Dill. Dill attracts beneficial insects that prey on cucumber pests like aphids and spider mites. Marigolds. Marigolds repel nematodes and other harmful insects while attracting pollinators. Plants to avoid planting near cucumbers. Potatoes. Cucumbers and potatoes are susceptible to similar diseases, so it's best to keep them separate. Aromatic herbs. Avoid planting aromatic herbs like sage and rosemary near cucumbers, as they can inhibit their growth. Succession planting. To make the most of your cucumber garden, consider succession planting. Succession planting involves planting new cucumber seeds or seedlings at regular intervals to ensure a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. This can help maximize yield and extend the availability of fresh cucumbers. Planting tips for companion planting with cucumbers. Proper spacing. Ensure adequate spacing between companion plants and cucumbers to prevent overcrowding and promote air circulation. Planting order. Plant taller companion plants like sunflowers on the north side of the cucumber patch to avoid shading the cucumber plants. Crop rotation. Practice crop rotation to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. Avoid planting cucumbers in the same location year after year. Additional benefits of companion planting for cucumbers. Pest control. Many companion plants help repel pests that can damage cucumber plants, reducing the need for pesticides. Pollination. Some companion plants attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, enhancing cucumber pollination and fruit development. Soil health. Certain companion plants, like legumes, fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting the overall health and fertility of the garden. Companion planting offers numerous benefits for cucumber growers, including improved growth, pest control, and pollination. By referring to this comprehensive companion planting chart for cucumbers, you can make informed decisions about suitable companion plants to enhance your cucumber garden. Experiment with different combinations and observe the positive effects on your cucumber's health and productivity. Happy companion planting!